Hey guys, this is Chris again, coming at you with an unboxing this time. Well, semi-unboxing. I already cheated and unboxed it already. But today's unboxing and review is a Zelos. This is my first Zelos. This is the Swordfish, the 300-meter diver. And I believe for what you get for the money, it's a lot of watch for the money. $300. I opted for the AH35 version, which is sold out, it looks like right now. And the only versions they have left are the ones with ETA, which you still can't go wrong with either, because ETA and both the Seiko movement are great movements. Both of them, you can't go wrong. The NH35, I feel like it was the most bang for buck though, because it was $300, and you'll see why. Comes in this pretty nice box. This is my first Zelos, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. My buddy Dane over at Saline Drivers, his channel, is a big fan. Got me onto this, and my buddy Sam, they said nothing but good things about it. Comes in that wood box, as you can see. Comes in a little travel pouch there. Like I say, you get a lot of kit for the money. Quick wristwatch check. I'm wearing that little Seiko Recraft chrono. Link for review on this guy coming up pretty soon. Comes in a pretty nice little travel pouch here. Just like I said, for the $300 when it was on pre-order, you can't beat it with what comes with the kit. And it comes with like this mirror kind of gold warranty card, which is pretty cool. Something kind of unique and different. That's definitely pretty cool there. And it comes with this optional strap that you can switch it to. Pretty nice little strap here. But onto the watch itself. I opted for the, as you can see, the aquamarine dial, because it's I feel like it's something a little bit different. It's something I didn't have in the collection yet, something you don't see all the time. And this color just pops out at you in person. You can't, pictures don't do this color justice. I mean, the blue dial looks really, really cool, but I kind of wanted the aquamarine just to, you know, be a little different. You can see it's got that like almost like silver around the outline here of the dial bezel. Pretty nice bezel action, pretty smooth, easy to grip. And this bracelet that came with it is a really, really killer bracelet. There you can see the little engraving on the back, the swordfish that's named after. Zelos logo stamped on there. I think it's a pretty nice bracelet for you. I'm gonna have to get it resized because it even hangs a little low on my 7.5-inch wrist. I like it a little loose, but not as loose as it is. Overall, fit and finishing on this, like I said, with the NH35 movement for $300, it was a no-brainer why I got this one. And overall, Zelos, I think you did a great job, and everybody says that every model gets better and better. So this probably won't be my last Zelos. These ones come in about 43 millimeters and 22 millimeter lugs. So they fit most wrists. I'll do a little quick little wristwatch shot here. Easy to clasp. As I said, it hangs a little loose on me even. And there's a wrist shot, what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist. Like I said, overall, I'm definitely impressed. This definitely probably won't be my last pre-order from them. That's the way to go, because on their pre-order deals, what they usually do, they'll have it like a set price, and then once they're done on pre-order, they go up to a normal price. Like I believe this one will go around $500 or $600, I think, once it's fully on sale. That's how you gotta catch them on the pre-order, which, like I said, for the $300, I definitely can't beat that, you know. Unfortunately, none of the NH35 movements are available anymore right now. At the moment, I don't know if they're going to make any more or not. All the ETA versions are available at $600, which that's a really good killer deal for ETA movement. Alright guys, it's been Chris. First impressions and review on the Zelos Swordfish Diver. Let me know what you think. Peace.